Alrighty, Brian, you guys. Brian, you were picking on me to get rid of it, get rid of it, get rid of it. Well, this is a quick video tour of all the stuff that's just left over after the yard sale for all the people who like to collect junk to come and get. Because this is not going home with me. Look at it, look at it, look at all of this stuff. Oh, wait a minute, this is just the stuff on the edges. Here's the main stuff. There's more stuff, 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 stuff. Well, that trunk is going with me. My wife wants it for a hope chest. Stuff, 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 stuff. Even the van is going. Stuff, 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 stuff. It's gone. It's out of here. Later, guys. Peace.